Scorpios. These four things are going to be happening with you in the month of June. As a tarot card reader with 20 years of experience, I can tell you that life is definitely moving ahead, all right? I know things have not been so great for you in the past, and you guys have been suffering from big stuff, big karmic stuff that has been happening in your life, and it has not been easy. I know, I understand, I empathize with you, but I promise you the newer things are definitely going to be happening, coming very soon, all right? So the first thing that is happening with you is divine intervention. That means all the blessings that you were supposed to receive, you are receiving now, and you really honestly need them, all right? Because things have not been so great mentally, physically, emotionally. You've been really in a bad space. So newer things are definitely going to be happening only through divine intervention. I am requesting, if you guys are a little bit religious or spiritual, to visit a temple, or a sacred place, or a mosque, or a gurudwara, or a church for that matter, and sit inside that temple for at least half an hour without your phones. Don't do anything, just connect with God, connect with the higher self, and trust me, you're going to be getting those blessings. This is it'll get you peace, all right, which you truly need right now, all right? It's all also about your blessings that you're supposed to be receiving, right? The second thing that is going to be happening, you're going to be working very hard, okay? Very hard means very hard. The only You want to focus all your energies towards work, because the home environment or the personal life has not been so great, and I'm sorry about it, but this is what it is. It's literally like, you are being obsessed with your work, and you're paying attention towards work left, right, and center. Like there's nothing else for you to do except to pay attention towards work. The third thing that is happening, the good thing is that there might be some travel and movement that is going to be there, all right? So if you're waiting for a job opportunity, business opportunity, it is definitely going to be coming through growth that is going to be happening, all right? And this company or this client or this business opportunity in general can be international in nature, but the guarantee is that it is going to be a higher designation, higher income, higher everything, which is a little bit higher than where you are right now. The fourth thing that is happening is that you might be getting attracted, madly attracted to someone, okay? And it is not just normal attraction, is like crazy type of attraction, all right? And they are also madly, crazily attracted towards you. So that is definitely happening. Besides that, there are some sleepless nights also which are indicated. I've got two messages. I wish I had treated you better is one of the messages, and the other message is I hate who I really am from you. Now I have uploaded the rest of the reel on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.